I am Lisa Billowith, and I am the director of the Jean Garvin School. We're a therapeutic alternative school program, and we serve 47 students in grades 7 through 12 in Williston. Our mission is to allow students an environment where they can be successful in school and where they can explore their interests and feel safe and get therapeutic support and really learn strategies to be successful. Welcome to the Jean Garvin School. You're currently in our lobby, and I'd love to take you on a tour of the school. We're going to start with the admin hallway. This is one of our smaller meeting spaces. Students come in here to do work. We have small staff meetings in here. Here would be my office. This is also a great space for students to come and meet. Here is the health office. We have a school nurse. And I'm going to take you this way. We're going to go into the multi-purpose room now. So students come in here in the morning, breakfast is served, and it's also where students eat lunch. So the library is used every day throughout the day. It's definitely used by students who want to curl up and read, students who want to get out of a noisy space and into a more quiet space. All of our students, for a variety of reasons, have struggled in public school. They are referred through their IEP teams, which are their individual education program teams, and are looking for smaller group setting, more therapeutic support, more access to alternative learning, more differentiation. Why don't we go on to the Odyssey hallway? We have two programs co-located here in Williston. The Odyssey program serves 27 students, and it's structured similarly to a public high school in terms of being a full-day academic schedule. Both programs, we have what we refer to as our counseling spaces. Those are places where students can get some extra therapeutic support. They can meet with a clinician. One of those spaces has a fish tank, which our students find very relaxing. We want to recognize that our students have experienced challenges and trauma throughout their lives, whether that be at home or in the community or in their previous schools. And so we want to allow them safe space to work through that and heal that, and that everything that we're doing, we're thinking about how that is going to affect students positively. We have 4 classrooms. So the first classroom we'll go into is our English language arts. So this is a class sizes on Odyssey are between 7 and 9 students in each class. Here we have the Nook, which is another small gathering space for students. And if we come in here, this will be the social studies room. This is our science classroom. Students are studying earth science this year. And here we have the math classroom. And so that is the Odyssey side of the Jean Garvin School. Our Delta program is our more alternative program, and that program serves 20 students. And that program has academics condensed into the mornings, and then students in the afternoons are in the community doing community-based learning and experiential learning. Delta has a couple of spaces that are smaller for students. This would be one of them for students to come. So this would be the therapeutic space on the Delta side. Really, the relationship that we have with the students, with students' families, I think is one of the biggest drivers of being successful. We're meeting families where they're at, we're meeting students where they're at. We're trying to use restorative principles to work with students and repair relationships. Students can access support for academics here in the Learning Lab. On Delta, they've combined science and math into their STEM classroom, and so they are still learning science and math, but it's much more collaborative. We're able to offer small groups, we're able to offer individualized experiences and support. We really are able to take time to build relationships with students and to really allow students time and space to work through challenges. One indicator of success for some of our students is that they come and then they're back in public school. Some of our students do a blended part day with us, part day with public school, so I think that's another indicator of some success, yeah. feel like the Jean Garvin School has a heart. You see that with all of our staff who are really so connected to the students and wanting to see students succeed, and I think it's a lot of heart.